Was it coming out the exhaust?
Oh, I think it was burning off the exhaust. It's dripping down onto the exhaust.
But it was coming out the tailpipe. Like, that's what stopped me. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
So, Adam, where are we?
We are at, I don't know where we are.
Where is this? Or what is the name of this dealer?
Cycle Sports Center.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Cycle Sports Center in Orlando, Florida?
Near Orlando.
Central Florida? Yeah, so we're going to perform Adam's surgery here, open heart. I'm going to pull the head off and see if the head gasket's bad.
Hopefully.
Hopefully that's just the only problem, and then we'll just patch it up. So you got the gaskets, the head gaskets?
Here. Got coolant.
They've got, if we need anything else, maybe they got a new bike.
I need a 150.
A 150 for Adam.
That's right.
Oh, wow.
Right. Wow. Do we have?
That's...
So it got through, right?
Yes, right here. It definitely didn't right there too, it looks like.
Is that rubber like all
right
nasty?
here it's like melted or something. And there too.
Okay, so it got through there.
But is the piston, everything in there look good?
I can't, this is the problem right here. See if I can zoom in, see that? So she's back together. I gotta use the bathroom and eat.
Same.
So we're down here in Melbourne. Just had a beach day. And we're gonna go to Mesa Motorsports, motocross track.
Alright.
So we just got over the causeway from Melbourne.
Off the, what's it called? Island.
It's an island, I guess you can call it an island. I guess you
key.
can call it a key too.
It is a key.
It's Melbourne, we're on the mainland now. So here we are, it's like an abandoned park. Like this stuff, look at this. It's like Mesa Park. Alright, so memories of 25, 35. Alright, Adam, so we got the bike together. I think some drippage, but I think that's just from overfill too.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see if the bike can start here. We got the new gaskets in. Oh, hey. Got the choke on?
Yeah.
Okay. Gas is on?
Yeah.
Don't know who that is, but we got on YouTube. We quickly know how to make a mess anywhere we go.
Oh yeah, this isn't gonna start. There's no gap. It was just a bubble of coolant.
Yeah, well, it's all wet.
Yeah.
It's all wet. All right.
Let's do another run through here. Gas on.
Adam with the Yeti. Choke on?
Choke's off right now.
Okay.
Should I leave it off, you think?
I'm not sure. This is your bike. She's got her. They all are different animals, you know?
I don't know this girl.
Yeah, I guess not. Oh. 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 Wildly stronger.
Keeps ice longer.
I don't know. It's dripping off the exhaust. There's still stuff pouring out the front. Normal process to get a KTM running.
Yeah, right?
Dang.